Here's how you can make $10,000 in a single day by streaming on Pump.Fun. Now, guys, there is a crazy opportunity in front of you, and it does not matter if you are a normal person that works a job, if you're a gamer, if you're genuinely someone creative, or maybe you're just someone who is funny. There is a huge opportunity right now where people are making a killing, and I mean an absolute killing, by just streaming on Pump.Fun. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how you could start streaming and make an absolute bag. And guys, the numbers here are actually ridiculous. I'm going to be showing you guys some lower tier numbers as well. So maybe if you don't have that much success, I'll still show you how much money you can make. And I'm going to be showing you guys like the creme de la creme, right? The absolute most that we've seen people make on Pump.Fun so far. Guys, first off, I got to say a huge shout out to the Pump.Fun team because, well, it's not a sponsored video, but they have completely changed live streaming and crypto within the past week. It's insane, right? They're offering an opportunity that people simply cannot ignore, and it is our duty as people who understand crypto to get our friends and family involved, guys, because this opportunity is insane. So let's talk about it. First off, guys, I want to talk about Soulcraft. So this guy went live yesterday, and yesterday I spent majority of my day just studying this, right? We could literally see the coin was created yesterday at 11:24 a.m. Okay, he basically went live until he beat Minecraft, and we can actually see this is his stream. And we could see everything that he pretty much did. He literally just started playing Minecraft. Bro was literally just playing Minecraft until he beat it, okay? And we could see his coin did pretty freaking well. So we could see his coin had an all-time high market cap of about 400K. It's currently trading at 21K. So the actual coin didn't, it obviously sold off, but how much money did this guy make for playing Minecraft for 12 hours? Well, what you could do, and again, this is easy to do, go on any Pump.Fun coin with a live stream, click on the actual creator right here, go to coins, and you could see from creator rewards, this guy made $12,000 by just playing Minecraft, okay? And we could see, I don't know if it's gonna show, yeah, it will show on the daily, an insane amount of money to be made. And like I said, obviously there's nothing in the week because he just started, okay? Again, this was just from playing Minecraft. And from what I understand, I don't think this guy was already a content creator. I don't think this guy already had an audience. I'm pretty sure this guy was just someone new that just wanted to start streaming, okay? Let's talk about some more. So yesterday, another guy started a Pump.Thon, which is kind of like a Twitch marathon or a Mafia-thon or whatever you want to call it. I don't exactly know the terms, but basically a stream that continues to go on as more people sub. Now, this coin is doing very freaking well. It's rallied up all the way to about 5 million and it's currently trading at $3 million. So this guy's been streaming for a long time, okay? He's been streaming, I mean, his first stream was about 10 hours, then he did a 1 hour one, Dev is asleep, and then he's flying to Miami right now, okay? This guy, are you guys ready for how much money this guy made? This guy made $140,000, and majority of that, I mean, all of that was from the past 24 hours. Guys, this guy's life has just changed forever, right? I want people to understand this guy as well. I don't think I'm pretty sure he's not a famous guy. He just randomly went into this and now he is more or less famous. He shaved his head at $1 million, which was a very interesting tactic and was something that really worked. So what he did, and what I strongly recommend a lot of streamers do, is have some sort of structure. Don't just go into this blindly. That's kind of what I did and it didn't really work out for me. Have some sort of structure, have some sort of plan, and make it interesting. So tell people, hey, at this amount of market cap, you're going to do something. So this guy at $1 million market cap, he literally shaved his head and got a buzz cut. Very freaking cool. And there's also some other ones like Kindness Coin where they're literally donating all their fees to other people, which is very cool. Now this coin as well, guys, I mean, it's ridiculous. They've made, let's see if it actually shows up. They've made 180K, right? Ridiculous. Okay, there's another one called Bagwork. These guys are very big as well. They started 5 days ago, guys, and I believe these are the biggest, highest earning streamers on Pump.Fun. They've earned around, okay, no, I'm wrong. Okay, I'm definitely wrong, but I think in terms of actual creators that where they're taking the money, insane. Okay, but guys, listen, maybe you don't want to be famous, maybe you don't want to show your face. What do? Well, there is a guy that put a GoPro on a freaking cat. This stream currently has 105 people watching. There is a $1.2 million market cap for this coin, and guys, Oscar the cat, Oscar has made a grand total of $80,000. Guys, it has never been easier to make this much money. If you have a freaking animal, go strap a GoPro on it, make it a Pump.Fun account, and go freaking live. Guys, it's actually easy. There's some other people that are playing games like this one. You basically control the game with the chat. A very interesting, unique way to do this, I guess. This coin's been out for a while, and this guy, well, they've made $42,000. Ladies and gentlemen, it only gets better and better. There's another one. This guy was basically, I believe, coding or doing some sort of like 3D modeling on stream. I believe he's like actually making a video game, and he's literally just doing his, I mean, maybe this is his work, I don't know, maybe he's vibe coding, but he's literally just doing some sort of 3D modeling. I don't know if this is Blender, I don't know what this is actually, but he's literally doing some sort of designing, and he's been streaming for 2 days now. And guys, even this guy, he has been able to make $6,000. Again, a bit on the lower side compared to the numbers we've seen, but guys, $6,000 in a couple days for, you know, literally developing games, which might even be his job, sounds pretty freaking cool. There's also this stream, which is literally just a bunch of baby chickens. Now this one as well hit an all-time high of about $63,000. It's currently crashing right now, which honestly, it is what it is. Chicken Grower, they have made $291, which again, hey, it's money, right? It's free money, right? You can see as well as another one that I believe they're opening Pokemon cards, and they had an all-time high of $94,000, currently trading at $15,000, and they have made so far about $1,000, right? Which again is pretty freaking good money for a lot of people in a lot of different countries, right? So guys, to actually go ahead and start a live stream is very simple. All you gotta do is just go on Pump.Fun, go to live streams, right? Create a coin, and from there, when you go to the create a coin part, you can go ahead and live stream. So like I said, guys, it's very simple, very easy, and there are so many different people doing their thing right now, making a shit ton of money. This is the biggest opportunity in crypto right now. If you're not getting involved, I don't know what to tell you. But guys, that's it for today. If you guys want me to make more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Any questions, feel free to ask. And guys, I'll definitely be going live on Pump.Fun as well, most likely today. But guys, come through and check it out. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.